everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 31st of May to the 4th of June 2021 on Monday. A familiar face returns, but Zweli seems to have been comfortable with his current life on Tuesday. Zweli finds it harder and harder to keep his mind off his new discovery, and Dimpo receives some devastating news that could change the course of her future on Wednesday. Lindwe questions herself when the distance between her and Zweli seems to widen, while the Mokoena family explores possible solution to their latest crisis on Thursday. Dimpo gets an email that changed her life, while Lindiwe learns information that leaves her shaken on Friday. Cobra makes a desperate move to help his sister out, and Nyakalo gets a taste of what life could be like. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.